What is going on, guys? It's your boy Jordan, and our agency, I should say, just had our best month. In the month of July, we went from pretty much where we're at to $46,000 in a single month. Now, the goal of this year was to hit that 50K per month mark, so we're almost there, but nonetheless, we still hit 46K per month. And actually, it's kind of funny because I worked the least, but made the most. And so in this video, I'm gonna share with you the 3 steps that I did to share with you on exactly how I've been able to grow my agency from 0 to having the best month while working the least, guys. So if you guys are new to the channel, subscribe to the channel if you guys wanna learn more about this type of stuff. And before we start this video, just drop a quick thumbs up on this video. It's gonna help so much with the YouTube algorithm, just pushing out my videos, helping my channel grow. And I always appreciate you guys' comments in the section. I always try to get back to everybody. Love the support, love the love. Let's get this video started. All right, so the first step that I did to have my biggest month was learning a high ticket service skill, okay guys? So I didn't go and learn how to be, well, I technically did go learn how to become a doctor, but you don't have to go through something crazy school to become successful, guys. You don't need to go to school to be a doctor, a lawyer, or an engineer, because that's how I was raised. And you don't need to have raised a whole lot of capital opening franchises, starting an app, a software company. What I did was I learned how to start a business, or I wanted to start a business where there's the highest potential to make a lot of income while having the least risk, right? Not having to invest a lot of money up front. So I started a digital marketing agency. I learned how to run digital marketing for local business owners. And basically what we do is we use Google ads, Facebook ads, Instagram ads, and things like that to help generate new business, new customers, new leads for these local businesses. And so look, guys, whether you are new to the agency or not, making sure that you are learning some type of service base where you can charge a good amount for, okay? So don't learn something where you're gonna just be able to charge a couple $100s for, because that means you're just gonna have to get a ton of clients, rather as have less clients but charge more, right? So on average, we charge about $1,500 to $2,500. Some of our clients pay us worth to $6,500, and those are big clients, guys. So don't worry if you're not landing you're not landing a client that pays you $5,000 or plus. But even on average, if you're able to charge $2,000 per month, you only really need 5 clients to be making 10K per month. And at 10K per month, you should be able to be somewhat comfortable, depending on where you are at location wise. 10K per month might be a lot for you guys, okay? So it's funny, I actually have a student, I believe he lives somewhere in Africa, and I plan on having him on the channel and interview him. But he had his best month recently. He made about 15, 16K in a single month in a country where if you're making that type of money, you are living pretty well, okay? So that's the first step, guys, is to learn a high ticket income skill that allowed me to have the highest potential of making income and having the least risk, okay? And not only that, guys, I wanted something where it was gonna allow me to have some freedom. So working from home, where I don't have to commute somewhere, I don't gotta be stuck in traffic, I don't gotta clock in anywhere, I don't gotta be moving around, guys. As you can see, I'm here in my living room with the AC on and just working, and that's exactly what I wanted to do. So I wanted to be able to travel and do all that stuff, have some flexibility. And so the second step that I took, guys, was now you gotta master this service, okay? So in the beginning, when I learned how to do Facebook ads, I was terrible at it. I didn't know how to sell, I didn't know how to talk to clients, and I didn't know how to do any of these things, right? Because I was raised to become a doctor. I graduated from college. I didn't have any business background, guys. So learning Facebook ads, I think I took like a course or something like that, learned it, bombed it. When I got my first client, I got decent results in like the first 2 weeks or so during the free trial. But after that, guys, I mean, there's just so much complexities to it. So I took more courses, I dived in deep, I gained more experience just working with more clients and things like that. And over time, that's when I jumped into Google Ads, and I learned that I was able to provide and get much better results for these clients, right? So really the second step is to master that service and making sure that you are producing, okay? You are getting results, because at the end of the day, that's what matters. And that at the end of the day, if you can have client retention, if you can make your clients happy and get them results, you're going to continually get paid. And so the second step is probably one of the most important steps, guys. I mean, obviously you can just take any course, learn the skill, right? And you know, obviously you can just, if you're a good salesman, you can just go out and sell your services. But I see so many agency owners, they struggle to get past that 6-figure a year mark, is because they don't have client retention. And so without that, you're not gonna have a lasting business. So the second step is super important, right? Making sure that you master your service, your skill, right? And if you are not the master of that, then hire somebody, bring on a team member that can get the results, okay? So whether it's hiring, you know, outsourcing to a virtual assistant, outsourcing to an expert, finding a white labeling company that can get you results, the second step is so important. It is crucial if you want to have some big months. And lastly, guys, the third step is building a personal brand. Now, most of you guys that's been following me, I have never ran paid ads to this day to get new clients. And so most of my clients that has come into my agency has been word of mouth, referrals. You know, we do some outreach and get clients and stuff like that, but I would say for the past year and a half, we haven't really done any outreach, and really most of the clients that come in are all inbound. So even though we are trying to scale and really get things growing even bigger and past that 50K per month mark, we still have clients coming in just from my personal brand. So building that authority figure, right? And how did I do that? It was definitely not overnight. So if you want to build a personal brand, it's definitely a long-term game that not a lot of people want to take that route. But when I started my agency, I knew that I wanted to be known. I wanted my name to be known in the industry, right? So I started my YouTube channel. I gave out, you know, a ton of free content. I have a Facebook group, and if you guys haven't joined that yet, the link is in the description. So if you want to connect with me, you want to connect with thousands of other agency owners in this industry and learn how to grow and just being able to be around like-minded people and growing your agency, make sure you join the free Facebook group. I think we will have over like 2,500 members in there. It's absolutely free. Join it. The link is going to be in the description. So really just building that personal brand, guys, just bringing people together, dropping free content like this for you guys. So if you guys enjoy stuff like this, drop a thumbs up. It really helps me, pushes me to make more content for you guys. So really that third step, personal brand, right? So although I am known in the agency space for, you know, giving out free tips and content like this, it allows me to bring in clients for my agency as well, because now I can share, you know, I document my journey, guys. I document my results that I get from my clients and stuff like that. And when a prospect comes across my videos or wherever they find me online, they're gonna see me as a reputable person, right? And it's gonna lead to a much easier sale, right? I don't have to reach out. I don't gotta chase cats to catch cats, okay? Cats are coming to me because we are attracting that, right? So I like to think of prospects and clients as cats, right? If you chase them, they're gonna run away. It's gonna be much harder. But if you provide value and you are able to attract them, that's when you're gonna be able to grow your agency on autopilot, right? Without really having to try all that hard. So really, guys, that is the 3 steps on how I've been able to have that's my journey from really 0 to 46K per month, $46,000 per month. That is crazy. That's interesting. We're still short. We're $4,000 short of hitting that 50K per month. But nonetheless, I'm sure we're gonna be able to hit our goals as long as I keep following those 3 steps I just shared with you today. So if you guys enjoyed this video, you guys found any value through it, drop a thumbs up, guys. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section. If you haven't already, subscribe to your boy Jordan. I'll see you next video. Peace.